Hey guys, Tim from Huck Small Engine Repair and Sales here with a Boland's by MTD, of course. Just a super basic mower. These are like the $200 mowers at Walmart or Ace. This one has a Briggs & Stratton 450 series, but this carburetor and air filter, they're super common. They're putting this thing on everything. This is a plastic carburetor. But today we're going to show you how to inspect your air filter, how to know if it needs changed, and then how to put a new one on. So here we go. We're gonna pop this cover off. That's just a pull tab, basically. As you can see, this one is pretty wet. It's pretty chewed up. It's dirty. Customer wants it cleaned, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace. All right, we're gonna go up to our parts room and we're gonna replace this. Guys, we are up in the Huck's parts room. I'm here at the air filter station. As you can see, we've got all sorts of filters for Briggs. Tecumseh filters. We have every single style filter you can think of. This one, however, is over here in this little kit. You can get these kits off Amazon. They're fairly expensive. I think they're like $9 for a 2-pack. And inside here comes a air filter, which we're gonna need, the foamy. Air cleaner cover, which we're not changing because that one doesn't need replaced, but still a part. And actually a primer bulb and a retainer ring. So these two parts can get left for the next machine because, of course, we're eventually going to see one that's got a broken primer bulb or a broken air cleaner cover. Now, we're going to take this downstairs and put it on. All right, guys, we're here with our obviously new foamy. This is the old one. Of course, if you don't want to spend the $10, you could just rinse this out. Make sure you blow it out too. Blow the air through it so you get that water out. You don't want the moisture going in there. Let it dry for at least 24 hours. These foamies are reusable. This one's been getting kind of chewed up just from the elements, so we're gonna go ahead and toss that. We're gonna put the new one in. As you can see, the primer bulb is oriented offset. Oh, it's actually this way. So we're just gonna go like this. Press it into the cage. Primer bulb is just fine. There's these two pins here that go in these two holes down here. We're gonna set those in there. Click it back in. Now you have a brand new air cleaner. You're ready to go. This should be part of your spring service every year. Make sure your blade brake cables are operational, your oil is changed, your blade is sharp. Most importantly, your air cleaner is cleaned, right? Your filter needs to be clean, otherwise your engine can't breathe. Sometimes they get full and like bugs like to eat those up. They just like to eat that foam. So super simple. You literally needed no tools for this. Some models you have a screw you got to take out, but this one, that's it. You can do it with one hand. So that's it. Bingo. Hope to see you guys on the next one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. Make sure you turn that bell on for notifications. We're just starting out our YouTube channel, but we've been mowing lawns for over 50 years, servicing and repairing mowers for over 40 years. So it just runs in our blood. I'm a third-generation owner. We just like to work on small engines. So yeah, we're just starting a YouTube channel. Hope to see you on the other side.